Let's learn the ABCs. A. Make sure your thumb is up and your hand is in a fist, but with your thumb up. A. B. Fingers up, thumb across your palm. B. C. Kind of looks like a C, doesn't it? C. Our palm is facing the opposite side. C. D is facing the same direction, and it looks like a D. Your first finger is up, the others are curled onto your thumb. D. E. Curl your fingers down here and your thumb across. E. F. First finger goes down and hooks on with your thumb. The other three are up. F. You can think of it like a fan. F. Fan. F. G. Your first finger and your thumb are kind of bent like so. And your palm is facing the opposite side. G. G. H is the same direction with your palm, and your two fingers are out. This is what's happening inside. H, like this. H. I is your pinky straight up. I. J is your pinky out to the side of your same side with your palm up. Imagine drawing a J and ending J. J. K. This one's tricky for some people. Spread your fingers apart like so. Bring your middle finger forward. Put your thumb in between, and that's a K. K. L. Now that looks like an L. Yes? L. M. My thumb is in between my ring finger and my pinky. My fingers are kind of straight out. You can tell it's an M because an M is drawn with a line down, and then it goes up and down, up and around, and down again. M. Unlike N, which is just down and around. Do you see? N. M as in monkey. N as in nose. M, N. O. Curl your hands, make it a little O. O. P. Now that's a K turned upside down. P. Q is a G turned upside down. Q. R. Take your first two fingers like this and curl your middle one behind your first one. R. S is like an A, but with the thumb across the fingers. S. T. Your thumb is between your first and your second finger. T. U. You see it looks kind of like a U, unlike this, which looks like a B. B. And this looks like a W, yes? W. X. X. Just curl your first finger down like so. X. Y is your pinky and your thumb out like so. Y. And Z is your pinky, palm down, like you're drawing a Z, and you end right there. Z. Z. Now, when you sign the ABCs, try not to bounce like A, B, C. I emphasized a few signs, but they should look like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, And then you can try faster and faster, like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Happy signing.